Can you talk more about the propellants and type of engine you'll be using for that third stage and why you decided to go that way?
Yeah, that's a very cool question, and one that I'm honestly, even if I'm not a rocket scientist, I'm a bit nerdy about. It's trade secret so far, so we can't reveal too much. But let me say this: our third stage is quite instrumental to the way we serve space, and we have developed a propulsion system that is eco-friendly, that is refillable, that is non-hazardous. So there is a lot of kind of engineering gone into that engine. We can't reveal all the details, but let me say this. Our third stage engine will be part of a orbital transfer vehicle that can stay in space between 3 to 5 years. And this will be super instrumental to actually driving down the cost of satellites, because that third stage will not only deliver the satellite where it actually needs to be, in the right orbit, in the right inclination, but then can stay in space, service other satellites, refuel them, replace batteries, do updates, do replenishment. And at the end of its life, it can bring space debris down in a targeted fashion. And thus, we have designed the third stage propulsion system in a way that it can really serve these longer term missions.
Remember, it's a beautiful day for launch in Europe.